I'm going to show you how you can take Levi's and turn them into shorts. So my son came to me and with his favorite pants and showed me that he had fallen when he was doing his skateboard and ripped him up, and he was really upset about it, and he came up with an idea. He's like, hey Mom, can you turn these into shorts? I'm like, of course. So he came to me, and I'm gonna take you along this little journey to show you how easy it is to turn your Levi's into shorts. So first you're gonna take the Levi's that you wanna turn into shorts, lay them out, and then right where you have the rib or whatever, wherever you wanna cut it right above where the rip is, so you don't have it in at all. So, and then make the other one the same size, bring down the pants, and you can just cut them across, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it under and iron it twice and pin it. Okay, so when you're doing your pants, you want to fold it under and press it right along the edge here. You've got about, it's probably about ½ an inch, but do it as small as you can. With pants, I do it about, it's about ½ an inch. So if you want to measure it, do it exact. I try to make it even all the way around so that the pant legs aren't going to be wavy going up and down. Okay, and then once you have the first fold, then you do it again. And this is to hide your raw edges. And this is when I'm going to start pinning it so that it stays. Once you have both of the legs pinned, then we're going to go over to the sewing machine and we're going to sew on the inside, and we're going to follow it right along the edge. And remember to backstitch at the beginning and backstitch at the end. So when we're sewing pants, it's best if you have a little table to take it off and set it aside so that you can take your Levi's or your pants, whatever you have that's a circular thing, and I'm actually going to turn the pants inside out so that I can sew, so I can follow along the seam. It just makes it easier, so it's sitting out the way I want it. Okay, so now that it's inside out, then I'm going to take it and put it around. So I'm gonna wrap it around here. Okay. Okay, so once I have that lined up, I'm going to be sewing right along at the very edge of the little cuff that I've rolled. Okay, so we're gonna put the foot down and then just start sewing. Keep your foot right along the edge, and then you're going to have a straight seam. Okay, so remember, we're going to start and backstitch and just work our way around, and you're pulling it and just keep rotating it around in a circle. When you get to the little seam, sometimes you have to give it a little tug to get it over. to the end. I'm going to go right over top of where I started. I'm going to backstitch right on top of this, right where I started. And then just cut your strings and do it to the other side. Put it right over top. So your strings are pulled to the back. And just put it right in, and we'll do it again. Okay, so here we have our shorts that we made. It was quick and easy, and now you have your favorite pants can become your favorite shorts. So thank you for joining me this week on Creating Joy, and we will see you next week.